Welcome to the school in Metaverse. A few weeks ago, Tomislav Matic presented a virtual world project at the open day of the Handels Academy in Gänserndorf. This visit was the beginning of the cooperation between our company Crypto Future and Handels Academy Gänserndorf. Last week, a group of students came to our office in the DC Tower and used VR technology to fly to the space station. It was great to see how the young people reacted to VR. Their faces lit up when they tried the VR glasses and started moving around the VR space. Tomislav Matic and Hadel Kren welcomed the students and their teacher, Ms. Katarina Kabina, to our office by presenting what Crypto Future and FinCity are doing and how they are building a professional stance of using VR and modern technologies for their clients. The skills the students will gain through this collaboration are future-oriented and perfect for the foreseeable development of the labor market. In addition, Meta Classroom makes the lectures more interesting for the students and provides the teachers with tools that make it easier for them to prepare for and conduct the lessons. Thanks to the forward thinking of the school's director Mr. Christoph Jank, Handels Academy Gänserndorf will be one of the first schools in Austria to implement virtual reality assisted lectures.